Characters. Hello, characters. So, this week we've been reading We Are Growing!
I've been reading Lesson Plans.
And, do you want to retell those?
First,
it was Monday. So we've been reading this awesome book, and we've been learning about...
No, sorry.
That's okay. We've been learning about how these characters, right? We talked about the fact that in this book, grass are the characters, and they've each been growing in different ways. So at the beginning, there's lots of blades of grass. They're all like boing.
Boing,
And then
boing, boing, boing,
one by one, they are just starting to figure out that they're growing in different ways. One is getting taller. And he's all, yeah, look at me. But then some are getting curly. And some are getting pointy. And some are getting crunchy. But then in the middle of our book,
Yeah.
our character Walt right here, he realized he hadn't grown yet. And they're like, whoa, come on, grow. You got it. How are you going to grow? What are you? And he's like, I don't know what I am. But then, towards the end of our book, something big happened. As Walt was trying to figure out what he was and how he would grow, something unexpected came.
Chopped it all off.
All their growth.
All their growth is gone.
Everything that made them different and unique.
Buzz cut.
And they did not know what to do. They were kind of freaking out. Oh no! What a mess. But then at the very end of our book, the little bugs, they were like, you know what? You'll grow again. It's fine. It was just something that happens sometimes.
Temporary setback.
It's a temporary setback. You'll grow again. You'll figure it out. You all know what you are now, so you can keep growing. And they're like, you know what? Little bugs, you're right. We will keep growing. Grow, grow, grow.
Go.
And Walt finally figured out, because he needed that little setback to figure out that he's actually the neatest. So in Language Workshop, we've done a really good job this year of making text-to-text connections, right? When we hear something that sounds familiar, we might compare it to another book that we've already read, and we're able to compare the two books and see what they have in common with each other. We're also good at making text-to-self connections. And in case you don't remember what those are, that's when we look at something that's happened in our book. I can hold it the right way. And we connect it to something that's happening in our own lives. So when this lawnmower came, he presented a big problem for the grass, right? They had done all this amazing growing, and then all of a sudden, zoop! Done.
So, I want to think about, we saw these blades of grass,
Mm-hmm.
like Trixie, doing a lot of growing on the outside, right?
They did.
But Walt did a lot of growing on the inside because he realized that he didn't need to grow on the outside to realize what was special about him. And that is an inside trait.
It is.
So, thinking about the lawnmower, we said it's not a character, but it is very important because I feel like...
Walt might not have figured out what he was without the lawnmower coming around.
Right? And the fact that this huge setback came through, kind of like what we're all experiencing right now. School being in a video on YouTube is a setback for a lot of us.
It's a big change.
You know, I feel like making that text-to-self connection, you know, there are things that come through like a lawnmower and just mow you right down.
Right? Make you sad, make you mad, might change a lot of things.
So I guess, like you were saying, are there things that you all have right now or have had in the past that there's a setback that feels like this is it?
Right? What am I going to do now?
But maybe like Walt, you needed that setback to realize you're powerful, you're in control, you're smarter than you think you are.
Right, you're special.
We are all unique. None of us is the same. That's what unique means, is that you're not like anyone else. So.
And my daughter, we've had this discussion before, and she's like, no, Mom, twins are the same. And I'm like, no, even people who look the same on the outside, they could still be different. They are still different on the inside. They have different thoughts. They have different feelings. So nobody, even if they look the same, is completely identical on the inside.
So, I want you today, not just me,
All of us.
all of us, we would hope that this is your kind of home task, not required, but that you all have a conversation together about things that have happened that are out of your control. It could be a friend not wanting to play that day or not being able to play that day.
Yeah.
Right? Or it could be your favorite restaurant closed.
Oh, you know what happened?
Hmm.
Mr. Sullivan went to the grocery store to get all of the food, and my favorite kind of caramel was out.
Oh, not the caramel and apples again.
know! Like, how am I gonna eat the caramel? It's all
She
gone!
has a caramel addiction.
It's my nightly snack. It's what I look forward to.
Well, I'm bougie, and mine is brie.
Oh, Brie.
Yeah, brie.
I just sit there with my caramel and apples. She's over here eating her Brie.
It's so yummy.
Oh.
It's so bizarre, though. Like, who has brie as a favorite snack? This is why I'm unique. Maybe, I mean, we have to change.
There's lots of changes going on right now.
Yeah. How have you changed? Have you realized doing school on the internet, on your iPad, has changed you? Probably for the better. You got to be more independent.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Totally more independent. And that's a great thing. You are completely capable 5 and 6 year olds.
Oh, and we know it.
Yeah, we know
We've
it.
seen you go into self-service and try to download stuff. We know you could.
We know you're doing it right now. We're not silly.
But you've also probably had to be a problem solver and figure things out because this is all new to everyone.
And I bet you that problem solving hasn't always gone well.
No, sometimes there are hiccups, sometimes there are setbacks like the lawnmower. But we
Arguments.
Gotta persevere. You know what?
Crying. I bet there was crying.
Oh, here?
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
Tears.
Yeah. Definitely. All of Maybe you figured out you're really helpful. I bet your parents appreciate all the help that you guys have given them because you've been with us all year. So you're filling them in. This is how we do it. This is what we do. Let me show you. Here, this is how you get to Dreambox. Let me log you in.
Joe learned how to make breakfast. He feeds himself and little Enzo now
That's
every
adorable.
morning. Right? Stinking. Come to my house. Make me something.
Right? I want more than toast.
The dog ate the toast this morning. See? Setbacks. Lawnmowers. They come through. Talk about it. It's important to talk through these things. And we're talking more about ourselves than we are the story right now because that's important to make the connection that you are capable. You as a family can have these conversations just like we would be having them in class right now if all of our little friends were sitting with us. These are real, honest conversations that help you grow as a human, as a parent, and as a child.
Yep. We just use blades of grass to do it.